Welcome back, everybody, to the Tyronia Hotseat. Let's get into this right here. No battle today. We do have a message to send to the Venetian diplomat. He walked right past my diplomat because remember last turn I think I couldn't move him any further or something like that. I don't remember. I just think I don't think I can move him any further. But I remember he was there or something. But now this guy's here. So we're gonna move this guy here. We're gonna go. Map information, trade rights. His wealth is bankrupt, so he doesn't have any money to give us. He wouldn't be willing to give us any money, so I think we'll just have to make that demand as is. There we go. And we'll keep moving you down this way, because the Spanish, I think, are over here. Okay, so we made that demand to them, and we're going to put this boat, these ships actually, There's a rebel fleet out here, so I'm going to wait. I previewed the turn a little bit just to see what I could do with the diplomat fleet and some stuff up here. But there's a rebel fleet out here with the papal ship, so I'm going to wait for that fleet to do its thing and see how that... The rebel fleet's obviously probably most likely going to attack Devon's ship that's out here, so I'm just going to wait what happened. But the Spanish have taken this settlement here. You can see right there. They're probably going to besiege this. I don't know. I would assume they're besieging this because if you look in here, they only have 2 units in there. So they're probably besieging that right now. The Aztecs are dead.
Yes, my king.
We move this guy up this way. We can see that the English have even more men than I thought they did. But if we move our general here, we're going to move this way. I'm not going to take a tear first. I think the most important thing we should take first would probably be Naxon, the capital, because that's what's making in their money right now. Obviously, the population is like 8,000. It's got 1,500 income. That's making them a lot of money. That and their castle over here, I believe. No, this and their castle over here is probably making them the most money. So if I can take both of these, I think we'll be in good shape. Now, if I do take this, I would be willing to sell it to either the Russians or the Byzantines down here, or the Valdokians. Yeah, I'd be willing to sell that to either of them for a hefty price if they want it. I don't know that they would want it. It's up here out of the way. I don't really want, you know, the province all the way extended out here, but that's why I'm willing to sell it. But really, all I want is Naxon and Tear. I really don't care. I think I've been talking with Barry Knight, and he said he wanted to attack England with me, and so I told him to go for it, so he can take that if he wants to. I don't really care about that, but is that castle? No, it's a large town. So we'll just get Tear and the Naxon from that, because these two... Tear it's just a small town, but I mean, it could eventually work its way into a moneymaker. I just need more towns, so that's why when I take that, eventually, I will probably sell it to either the Russians or the Byzantines. Now, look at the end of turn report. Like I said, England's military is ridiculously big. We're 9th overall. I think there's like 13, 14 factions. Probably 13 now, because I think the Turks are dead and the Aztecs are dead. So, yes, those are the factions that are left. There's like 13, 14 factions left right now. I'm not really sure. Oh, we're gonna move this guy up. I didn't think about this guy. Our money, I really want to get this drill square, so I'm gonna save my money up for next turn too, and we're not gonna build anything this turn. It may come back to bite us later, but I'm not gonna build anything. I'm just gonna keep moving my men forward. Honestly, probably should get some rabble here. Wow, what was that? Rabble here, and we can move this guy out, and he can build us a tower. That'd be 200 gold. I just don't want to spend too much money. And I want to build a watchtower around here somewhere, so... What's this guy's loyalty like? That's decent.
Aye, my liege.
I don't want to move him too far away. You can't get back in now. Just go over here and build a tower. Watchtower. Alright. So we have view of West Remor now. There's an English diplomat too. Yeah, let's just send you back this way. I might use him actually to build watchtowers all along the coast. So we're gonna just keep sending him that way. As long as we have, I feel like he was wasted sitting in there, and he wasn't really doing much to the income. So we just get some rabble to put it there. We should be fine. It's not really in danger. I'm a pretty strong alliance with these guys right now, so not really sure what's going on down here. I feel like there's going to be a big military engagement down this way, especially since he has cut them off basically down here. What's the diplomacy like? So no human players are at war with each other yet, I don't think. No, he's at war with the Mongols. The Moors are at war with Tyrone. It looks like about it. Just have these rebels here and here. It'd be really cool if these rebels would like link up with each other. But I don't think they're gonna move. I really don't care that they're there. Honestly, they're not doing anything. Like these guys, I just see these guys as a liability for, like, if Baronat were to suddenly pounce upon me, you'd have to deal with that army. So that's some pretty nice crossbows too. Those are not bad crossbows. I guess he's got like Scottish bodyguard or whatever the hell. That's it. I'm gonna save the rest of my money. We're gonna build that drill square, and then we can see what else we could do. But saving our money is most important. These armies are probably gonna link up, or like around here. Yeah, it'll take them a few turns, but they'll link up there. I'll probably build a fort there, or watchtower or something, and we can go to their capital. The spy has to get there too, because hopefully when he gets there, he can open the gates. Fingers crossed. Hopefully England will keep building stuff there. That'd be nice. And hopefully this doesn't rebel, but when we're building those guys, it should be fine. Alright, so off to the Valdokian Empire. Make sure you check out everyone else's channel in the description below. Make sure you like the video if you enjoyed. All that stuff. See you guys next time.